Going on, guys? Derek here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. This time I'm happy to finally doing a review on the new Apple Watch Series 5. I have the Series 4 right now. The reason why I waited for so long is I was waiting for an open box. I bought the open box from Best Buy. I work at Best Buy, so I know how it comes in. I know how our Geek Squad members basically look at it, how they determine if it's good enough to be resewn, if everything works, if it needs to be sent out. So I know this was in pretty good condition. So I decided to buy it, and plus you save a little bit of money when it's open box from Best Buy because it's discounted, obviously, if it's not brand new in a box. So that's the reason why I went that direction, and I waited so long for me to buy one. But to show you guys which one I got, I go with probably the most popular one, which is the Space Gray aluminum with black band, 44 millimeter. The reason why I go with the black is I just like black. I feel like it goes with any color that you wear. You don't really have to worry about anything special, like you don't have to change the bands up or anything like that. The reason why I didn't go with Nike is because the Best Buy that I went to didn't have, or the one I work at, did not have the Nike one in stock. But from packaging, stuff like that, everything's basically the same. Your band's still in here. It doesn't look like it was opened. Let's see if all the bands and all the stuff is still in here. Yep, it looks like everything is there. Black bands, all that jazz. And then now, the Apple Watch. So it's got the face like it usually does. Then opening it up, you got your charging brick, charger, then you got the actual Apple Watch. So, oopsie, if the customer was to return this in perfect condition, there would be a sleeve over this. But since there was not a sleeve, that's how you know someone probably wore it for a little bit, which I'm not mad about. When you buy open box products, it's basically what you get. It looks pretty good. Doesn't look like there's any scratches or anything like that. There might be a few that are very fine that you can't tell, but other than that, it looks good. Everything else is the same. Watch a couple more videos. I'm going to do a comparison between the 4 and 5, if it's worth it to buy the 5, or if you have the 3, if it's worth upgrading to the 5, or if you have the 4, if it's really worth it at all. But just look out for those videos. This is just a quick unboxing of the new Apple Watch. Thanks. Bye.